Once we have the right people on board, it's really important that we invest in their development because it's critical to maintain a knowledgeable and agile workforce. In this section, we're going to talk about the elements of successful training and a development program, including orientation for new hires, ongoing skill development, and leadership training for emerging managers. We're going to discuss how you identify training needs, set up mentoring and coaching programs, and use in-house and external professional development resources. We're going to discuss how to emphasize a commitment to employee growth that contributes to job satisfaction and retention. As we know, hiring is just the first step in the process, hiring the right people, of course. Equally important is going to be equipping them with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in the roles that contribute to your business's success and profitability. We're going to talk about practical strategies for training and developing your team and fostering a culture of continuous learning and growth, things that are super important. Building a strong foundation for your team. Two things I want you to start to think about. One is new hire onboarding. So you want to develop a comprehensive onboarding program to welcome new hires, introduce them to your company culture, and equip them with the necessary skills to succeed. You want to include role-specific training, an overview of company policies, and opportunities to connect them with team members. And you want to perform a training needs assessment. You want to conduct regular performance reviews and skill gap assessments to identify where employees need additional training or development. And when you do that, you're going to be able to address both the new and existing employees and make sure everyone's getting some attention and some focus from you and no one's getting neglected. As far as ongoing learning and development, there's two things your organization should have. One is a skill development program, and that's where we provide ongoing training opportunities to help employees develop new skills or enhance existing ones. This can include in-house workshops, online courses, or industry conferences relevant to their roles. And then you also want to have leadership training. This is where you invest in leadership training programs for emerging managers to equip them with the skills they need to motivate, guide, and develop their teams effectively. You want to be cognizant that people have different training methods and different learning methods. You want to have both in-house and external resources available to meet your team's different training needs and aptitudes. So with in-house training, what in-house training means is that you develop and deliver in-house training sessions led by internal experts or experienced team members. This will help foster a culture of knowledge sharing that allows for customization to your specific needs. And as far as external resources, you want to utilize external resources such as online learning platforms, industry associations, and professional development courses to give employees access to a broader range of expertise. You also want to be able to offer mentorship and coaching programs to help people with more of the advanced skills that they're going to need to feel like they're welcome in your organization and to make sure their skills are sharp as possible. So a mentorship program is important because when you establish a mentorship program, experienced employees can guide and support new hires or less experienced team members. So it's existing people kind of guiding those newer throughout the organization to show them what you're all about, to show them how the business works, how it doesn't work, that type of thing. And then coaching programs are important. And you want to implement coaching programs to provide employees with personalized guidance and feedback on their performance and development goals. And coaching is, both of these can be one-on-one or they can have multiple participants, so it's going to be different for your organization. But it's good to have both coaching and mentorship because mentorship is more informal, coaching is more formal. Both are about getting people to where they need to be as far as skills, soft skills, technical skills, that type of thing. The benefits of training and development are significant. So why should you care? Why should you invest in these activities with your time and energy and money? Well, first you're going to have increased employee engagement. Investing in your employees' development demonstrates your commitment to their growth and well-being. This will foster a sense of engagement and motivate them to contribute their best work. You will also have improved job satisfaction. Employees who continuously learn and develop are more likely to be satisfied in their roles and less likely to seek opportunities elsewhere. Enhanced skills and knowledge. A well-trained workforce is more capable and adaptable. Training equips your team with the skills to navigate change, adopt new technologies, and contribute to your business's growth. And you also have a stronger company culture. Focusing on learning and development creates a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. It encourages knowledge sharing and collaboration within your team. So, in all, by prioritizing training and development, you're going to create a learning environment where your employees can flourish. This will translate to a motivated and skilled workforce, improved performance, and competitive advantages in the marketplace that help you increase your profitability. Let's continue on the same path that we're talking about with employee engagement and getting them really excited and being productive in your business. And the way that we do that is we create a productive workplace culture. So a productive workplace culture is one where employees are motivated, engaged, and aligned with the business's goals. We're going to focus on the elements that contribute to a strong culture, such as open communication, employee recognition, and a shared vision. We're going to offer strategies for building a positive work environment that encourages collaboration and innovation. Further, we're going to discuss how to handle common cultural challenges such as conflict resolution and change management. By creating a supportive and inclusive environment, businesses can ensure their teams are both practical and happy in their work. Exactly what you need if you're trying to create a highly profitable enterprise. So, fostering success, how to cultivate a productive workplace culture. What is it? A productive workplace culture is the cornerstone of a successful business. It's the environment where employees feel motivated, engaged, and empowered to do their best work. This section is going to cover the key elements of company culture and provide strategies for fostering a positive work environment that drives collaboration, innovation, and overall business success. First, we want to build the foundation, and we do that by having shared vision and values and open communication. So you want to clearly define your company's vision, mission, and core values. You want to ensure these values are communicated effectively throughout the organization and reflected in leadership behavior. And as far as open communication, you want to encourage open communication at all levels. Employees should feel comfortable expressing their ideas, concerns, and feedback. You want to regularly hold town hall meetings and team discussions and have an open door policy for managers. Encouraging engagement is important, and there's a couple ways that you can do it. One is to have an employee recognition program, and the other is to focus on providing professional development for your team. So employee recognition is all about where you recognize and appreciate employee contributions. You want to implement a recognition program to acknowledge achievements, both big and small. This will reinforce positive behaviors and motivate employees to excel. And with professional development opportunities, you want to invest in your employees' professional development. And what this is going to do is provide opportunities for learning and growth, demonstrating your commitment to their success, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Collaboration and innovation. Well, how do you make that happen? Well, you create a workplace where you have teamwork and empowerment. When you have teamwork, what's that look like? You promote teamwork and collaboration across departments. You want to break down silos where people are structured into, say, their department or the function they support, or the business segment they support. You want to break down those silos and encourage cross-functional interaction to facilitate sharing of ideas and expertise. And with empowerment, you want to empower your employees to take ownership of their work. Giving them the autonomy to make decisions and solve problems fosters a sense of accountability and innovation. You also want to address challenges that your employees face and be honest about them and help them get them resolved. So you want to talk about conflict resolution and change management. So conflict resolution is where you establish clear procedures for addressing conflict professionally and respectfully. You want to equip managers with the skills to mediate disagreements constructively. As far as change management, when implementing changes, you want to communicate effectively and support employees throughout the transition. You want to address concerns openly and involve employees in decision-making as much as possible. So why would you do all this? What are the benefits of having a strong culture? Well, you have increased productivity, improved retention, enhanced innovation, and stronger employer brand. Increased productivity, a positive and supportive work environment increases employee morale, engagement, and productivity. For retention, employees who feel valued and appreciated are likelier to stay with the company, reducing turnover costs and increasing profits. Enhanced innovation, a culture that encourages collaboration and open communication fosters creativity and innovation, leading to new ideas and a competitive advantage. And having a stronger employer brand, a positive company culture attracts top talent and positions you as an employer of choice. So by fostering a productive workplace culture, businesses can create an environment where employees thrive. This will translate to a high-performing workplace, a high-performing employer brand, and sustainable success in the long run.